Luxury vehicles usually whisper their presence. This one arrives like a moving palace on wheels. The 2026 Scania Imperial Palace 12 by 12 motorhome is not simply transportation. It is a statement of power, comfort, and engineering ambition unlike anything seen on the road. From the moment it appears, the exterior commands attention. Built on an enormous 12-wheel platform, this motorhome stretches far beyond the proportions of a typical luxury coach. Its massive body rides confidently on multiple axles, creating a stance that feels both futuristic and authoritative. The sculpted front fascia carries the unmistakable Scania identity, with sharp LED lighting, a bold grille, and a sleek, aerodynamic profile that blends truck durability with modern luxury design. The extended body flows seamlessly from front to rear, forming a smooth, elegant silhouette that feels more like a luxury yacht than a traditional RV. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, offering passengers breathtaking views while also emphasizing the sheer scale of the vehicle. Finished in sophisticated metallic tones, the Imperial Palace looks equally at home cruising through open highways, alpine landscapes, or pulling up beside the most exclusive hotels. But the true magic begins the moment you step inside. The interior transforms the concept of a motorhome into something closer to a five-star luxury apartment. Instead of the usual compact travel layout, the cabin opens into a spacious lounge designed for comfort and elegance. Premium leather seating wraps around a large entertainment display, while ambient lighting softly highlights the refined materials throughout the living area. At the center of the space sits a beautifully crafted kitchen island equipped with modern appliances, turning the motorhome into a fully functional luxury residence on wheels. Nearby, a sleeping area offers the comfort of a high-end hotel suite, complete with plush bedding and panoramic windows that bring the outside world into the living space. Even the bathroom area reflects thoughtful design, featuring a sleek glass shower, elegant fixtures, and carefully arranged lighting that enhances the sense of luxury. Every surface, from polished floors to brushed metal accents, feels carefully chosen to create a calm, refined environment for long-distance travel. Of course, a vehicle of this size requires serious engineering beneath its elegant exterior. Built on a powerful, heavy-duty Scania platform, the 12 by 12 drivetrain distributes weight and traction across multiple axles, delivering exceptional stability and control. Whether cruising along highways, climbing mountain roads, or traveling through challenging terrain, the Imperial Palace is designed to remain smooth, balanced, and confident. Advanced driver assistance technology helps manage the enormous size of the vehicle, with multiple camera views, navigation systems, and safety features designed to support long-distance touring. Despite its scale, the driving experience is engineered to remain composed and predictable. And then there is the price. With an estimated value approaching $5 million, the Scania Imperial Palace sits in a category of its own. This is not a mass-produced motorhome. It is a rare creation built for collectors, entrepreneurs, and travelers who demand the absolute highest level of comfort and exclusivity. Vehicles like this are not designed for ordinary road trips. They exist for those who want the freedom of travel without sacrificing the lifestyle of a luxury residence. Because in the world of ultra-premium vehicles, the 2026 Scania Imperial Palace 12 by 12 motorhome isn't just transportation,